Good afternoon, Mama's beautiful babies, and today I'll be making macaroni and cheese with a side of broccoli. Welcome back to my channel. I'm making something light today because sometimes when you come home you're tired and you don't feel like making a big meal. So this is something simple and something that everybody like. Everybody like mac and cheese, so I got the water boiling here and I'm gonna put my macaroni in. Okay. And when it's finished boiling, I'll come back and show you how I put it together before I put it in the oven. Okay, I'm back, babies. I just drained my macaroni. I'm putting it back in the pan that I boiled it in. I'm gonna put some butter. Let me get my butter. Put some butter. This is some that I have. My butter soaking out. About a good, almost a quarter of a stick. Now I'm gonna put my seasonings. Of course, you know my adobo. Black pepper, and I like to see the pepper, so I'll put as much as you can put all these to your liking, but I like to see the black pepper in my mac and cheese. And put some onion powder, because I like the way it tastes in the mac and cheese. A little garlic powder, just a little bit. Some Parmesan cheese going there. Two eggs, two beaten eggs. Some milk in the egg. Let me stir this around. All the seasoning around. The butter. I'll stir it up. Then we're gonna put the cheeses in. I have shredded mild cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and shredded sharp cheese. What I'm gonna put in first is the mild cheese. Shredded chop. Pour the egg and the milk in. And stir it up. Put some mozzarella cheese in. Continue to stir. And you'll see it start. Put a little bit more milk. Mix with Oregano, a little bit of sugar. You stir it. Already sticking together right now. Take this, pour it in this pan. Spread it out. Add some cheese on top. Paprika for color, make it look nice. Parsly, just to make it look nice. And then you put it in a 350 oven for about, I say 35-40 minutes until you like the brown color on it. And when I come back, I'll show you the finished results. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, babies, I'm back. I took the macaroni and cheese out the oven and I let it sit for 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna plate it. Oh. See how easy it come out when you let it sit. And I'm gonna put some broccoli, turn off this broccoli, and put a little broccoli on the side. You don't need meat all the time. You can always have vegetables and a mac and cheese or a pasta. And this is it. Mac and cheese and broccoli. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. Okay, until next time. Bye.